Can you hear this? Can you hear that? On guard. Oh, I just dropped my mic.
All right, we good?
Hey travelers, it's Valerie from Trusted Travel Girl. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite go-to travel bags, the Claremont by Lo Sons. The Claremont is a discreet crossbody bag, and although it's made for camera equipment, it looks like a regular purse, which is what I love. Just as important as a discreet bag, the quality and design of the bag is also really important to me. And this bag is made from really, really high quality leather. It comes in 3 colors, and I actually have all 3 because I'm addicted to it. And it has a quilted, padded interior, which I love because it protects my camera. One of my favorite features of the bag is the back pocket. Now this is where I store my passport and my money because it's pressed up against my body, so it's nearly impossible for someone to try to pickpocket me. What I love about a crossbody bag is I can be hands-free, which is important because as a photographer, I obviously need both hands, and as a traveler, it allows me to immerse myself in the culture when I can use my hands. Lo Sons designed this bag with photographers in mind, but it does work for everyone. But it fits a full-size DSLR. It's padded on the inside. It fits my Sony a7R III. Then it fits a secondary lens, my phone. I get so many compliments on this bag, and every travel blogger pretty much is carrying the same bag. Lo Sons products, what I love about them is they have thoughtful designs. They've thought of all of the things that a traveler or just an everyday person needs in their bag. And now I promised you guys a couple travel tips for solo female travelers. So the first one is never flaunt your valuables. That's why I love the Claremont bag, and that's why it's so crucial for me to travel with this bag when I have my camera equipment on me. Do not overshare. Never say that you're traveling alone if you're solo, and never, ever, under any circumstances, share where you are staying. Which leads me to number 3, lie. Somebody asks where you're staying, don't tell them the truth. If somebody asks you too many questions, they might be really friendly or they could be targeting you. So always be on guard. Say you have someone waiting on you, and that's always a really good way to get out of the situation. It also prevents them from thinking that you're traveling alone. Number 4, never ever use a paper map. All the hotels will give them to you, but this is a surefire way to look like a tourist and look lost. Use the map on your phone, and if you don't have data where you are, you can pre-download an offline map and use that to help you get around. And number 5 might be the most important. Walk with confidence. Nothing will protect you better than looking confident. And you can confidently walk in the wrong direction. I've done it until you're someplace safe to discreetly look up directions. There are 2 ways that I pack my Claremont, and the first one is as a camera bag. The other way that I pack the bag is sometimes I will use it as my Inflight bag, so it can actually fit a bottle of water, my eyeglasses, face spray, an amenity kit, and things that this include are an eye mask, compression socks, toothpaste. You want a pen because you have to fill out your in-flight documents. And of course, last but not least, when you want to sleep on a long-haul flight, you need noise-canceling headphones. I'm ready. To find all of the bags that I carry, head to losons.com, and to find more information on solo female travel, visit me at trustedtravelgirl.com.